up, guys? So a common question I usually get is how do I spruce up my flower bed, you know, how do I make it look better and all that stuff. So today we're going to show you a job that's going to be like a spring cleanup, what it would look like, as well as a mulch installation. So stay tuned. We're going to show you what that's going to look like, and I just pulled up to the job site. So here we go. Over here, going to prune this tree over here, clean up the edge, clean cut the grass, and then the flower beds are going to get blown out. And weed eated, and just going to add an extra color of mulch on top of what's here. Usually that's what we do with it, because you can see this mulch is a little discolored. It's been a year since it's been done, and I highly recommend mulch be done once a year if you have mulch in your yard. Got all the weeds here. So yeah, just a thorough, I know there's not a lot of debris, but a thorough blowing out of the beds, weed eating, then blowing out the beds, cleaning up the edge all the way around. Mulch don't look too bad back here. So yeah, that's what I usually recommend. Just adding a coloring of mulch on top of what's there. So it's already got a good amount of mulch. Now you can always dye it, but that's very, very time consuming. And you can kind of flip what's already there and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get this project started. All right, so we're gonna shape up this tree so it gives it a little more shape. It's a magnolia we have here. So yeah, we got a lot of low hanging branches here, so we're just gonna have to shape this tree up a little bit. Alright, got this magnolia pruned up. Now it has more body up towards the top, so it leaves a lot more open at the bottom. You know, took out the overgrowth on the bottom, shape it up towards the top, so now it looks like a little tree instead of a shrub. Alright, finished up here. Got the tree pruned up. Looks nice with the mulch down. Mulch around the side of the yard here. real nice. I'll walk around to the other side of the house. So this job was a magnolia tree being pruned up in the front, beds blown out, mulch installed, grass clean cut, clean edge, weed eat, and then blow out the concrete. It was a whole package deal, so it was a little bit more than average spring cleanup with a mulch install involved. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, follow whatever platform this video's on, and I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. It's a little hot out here today. I'm going to get some water. Take care. God bless.